Are you a working class mom or busy mom or beginners friendly and you just want to look 10 years more younger? So you want to know the kind of hairstyle to make and the kind of hairstyle to style, which is gonna help you keep looking sweet 16 and ageless. Guys, don't hesitate not to watch this video. Watch from the guys. I just want to teach. Are you a working class woman? Are you a busy mom? Guys, I just want to, because we are talking about beauty. You can't just be preaching beauty without letting people know on how to go about that. And you can't just be looking ageless every time or every year without letting others. So that's what my platform says. I need to be imparting the way I live my life to others. You wouldn't know the mind you will save or change through as in with your the video, the kind of inspirational video you make. So guys, styling and beautifying yourself is something worth to embark on. Even if you did not learn every other thing, guys, learn how to style your hair, learn how to beautify yourself, learn how to because God has in neatness is godliness. That's why I used to preach here, because some people feel like it's when they are tattered, it's only when God gonna answer their prayer. Not at all. God dwells in a place that is neat and in a place that is beautiful, because He makes everything beautiful in His own eyes. He makes everything before He created everything. He makes it beautiful. So it shows that God love beauty, and anything that is neat, God love it. So I just want to tell my fellow women that you need to be beautifying yourself. I didn't say do it in a worldly way or do it in a way that doesn't glorify God. You need to beautify, look nice to God. It shows that you are appreciating the gift of life God has given to you. That's why God also give us wisdom, to do all other man-made, like the things we're gonna use to be helping ourselves. That's why He gave us that wisdom. So all these things is something we go to we as in we need to be using to be beautifying yourself. So when we look ourselves in a mirror, we look nice, and when we are looking nice, we are happy. All those things makes us happy. So like as I said, don't overdo, because when you overdo it will go as sketch of God. But when you are doing, you'll be happy that God gives you life, God makes you beautiful. So I want to beautify myself to use it to glorify God. So what am I saying? If you never know how to style your hair, you know because you are leaving your hair so tightly, giving excuses that you don't have money, you don't know how to do that. Guys, learning handwork is very, very important. Guys, if I tell you that you don't need to you admire, it's only admiring you can admire me, but never you jealous me. Why? Because learning all those things took years for me. So when you see my hand looking nice, I put effort to make it. I put effort to make sure I learn all those too. So that because I like beauty, I like keeping myself neat to God. So when I did not do all those things, it will look as if I'm not glorifying God. I don't like the gift of life God has given to me. So that's why I try learning all those things, so that even if I didn't have money, I won't have any excuse that what, I can't look nice for God. I can't look neat for God because I don't have money. But now I learn all those things. I can make it to myself. If I'm going to church or anywhere, I can just beautify myself, even when I don't have money. As in that time I complain I don't have time. That's why I'm not looking nice. That time I can do everything in my comfort of my own home, at my comfort of my own, in my own convenient time. Because why? I have tried learning things myself. Okay, without talking much, guys, this my live video gonna encourage you to try beautifying yourself in a simple way without breaking your bank. The first tips here is for you to start learning things. All those things you don't know how to do, how to fix your nails, how to apply cutters, how to fix your eyelashes, how to apply mascara if you feel like you don't want artificial one. What other ways, natural way can you go about that? How to do mannequin, how to do pedicure, how to pack your hair, how to maintain your hair. Even if you have, it's true that I plaited my hair, but assuming that I don't have money to plait this hair, will I just leave myself tatteredly? You can go and watch my previous video, all the hair I used my natural hair to style. Despite if I don't have money, I can style my natural hair. God has given us that natural hair. That's why I refuses not to cut my natural hair. Why? Because I can. It's a gift of is a gift from God. So that's why I may try maintaining it. So when I don't have money, I wouldn't say I won't look beautiful. I will try packing, washing down my natural and packing it style. Apply if you can't make up, there is white powder out there. Buy white powder. Only what you get to treat is your acne and your pimples. So even if you go with your natural look, you will not look awkward. You will not be as in, you will be very, very proud of yourself. So try to be learning things. So God have given us wisdom to learn many things. He left for you to start learning things so that you keep looking neat. It's not must you do makeup, but when you learn all those things, it will better you. So whenever you have any one occasion or the other, you can use your hand to do makeup yourself. All these good tests, I made it. Sometimes I feel like not to put nails, I can apply good test. Sometimes I feel like not to do makeup, I can just apply white powder or make sure my acne removed, my pimples removed. Sometimes I will try to beautify myself with makeup. This one I made it myself without breaking my bank. That's the good of learning good things and new things every day. So now I make this for those that always break their banks every month in the name of I want to make hair. Guys, I'm gonna show you the good of packing your hair. This is the second tips on this live, on this video. Good of packing, styling your hair so that you can carry your hair at any interval you want. If you don't want to plait hair, use your natural hair to do that. Go to my channel and watch the video I made with my natural hair, how to style your natural hair simply without breaking your bank, or all those things can save your money, all those things can save your time, and you can do it at the comfort of your own home at any time you feel like to do it. So let's go. So I'm gonna show you, are you a working class woman? Always go with one particular look in your working places all the time? Are you a busy mom complaining you don't have time to style your hair because you are in a hands? Guys, I'm gonna show you these three tips on the kind of method or the kind of style you get to be packing your plaited or braided hairstyle without wasting much of your time within a couple of 5 minutes. So this one is you can leave your hair like this. Let's start from this one. Let's start with this. You feel like you don't want anything to disturb your body, you don't want it to be touching your body, guys, you can still pack it this way. Guys, this is the most simplest hairstyle you can do to yourself. Trust me, this will not take you, it will not even take you like 2 minutes. You are good to go. It will not take you like 2 minutes. You are good to go. Are you not seeing what I'm seeing? Either you put it back as in leave it all back, or you make it donut like this. Am I not looking nice? Guys, when you put it fry away just like that without making it donut, this will be the first look. Tomorrow you make it donut. Guys, this have become another look. Next tomorrow you make it another style. This has become, so when you are going out there, you notice that your look keep transforming flawlessly, without making the hair every one month. As in, even if you want to make it will be like 2 months appropriate. appropriately, for 2 months approximately. So you'll be making your hair and you'll be saving money to try to make your hair. If you can't make your hair, try to maintain your natural hair and keep packing it style. Go and watch my video. Okay, let's try making the third one. I'm gonna try making like 4 different hairstyles here. So depends the kind of hair you make, and try to, are you getting advanced and you want to keep looking ageless or sweet 16 kind of, because everybody wants to keep looking younger. So you get to know the kind of hairstyles to make. Like this type I have is not bushly kind of hairstyle, nor kind of tiny hairstyle. But am I breathing with it? Yes, of course. This is not the time you can sit like 10 hours in the name of I'm making hair for you to look beautiful. Guys, all those things is for underage, as in adolescent age kind of girls. So, but if you are getting advanced, guys, probably just 4 hours hairstyle. Make it big. And why making it big or making it scanty can helps you look as in 10 years more younger. But instead of when you are getting advanced, you will just do bushly hair. It will helps you to keep looking older. But guys, I'm bringing all these ones for you because it's what helps me and I want you to help you. So I'm trying to impart it to my fellow women out there. So if you never learned this video will encourage you. Okay, let's quickly go further to pack this one. So that's why that the hair is kind of small, but we're gonna really use it to achieve something. And keep it like this. This might be during windy period. This might be during windy period. The one you're gonna bring some hair out. So this might be during windy period. Because in summer people don't like hairs to be touching their body because of heat. See, you can leave it like this. Guys, aren't you looking nice with this flawless, kind of style? This is so beautiful. So go ahead to try this pattern and thank us later. Another one you can do is to wrap it concern both ways. Join it with the one at the back. So do the same here. Here's my this is- so this is another method to go about packing the hair. Guys, you see how this, I think I cherish this one most. Guys, you can go ahead to do it like this. So guys, you don't have any excuse based on the kind of hairstyle you get to be packing. Just try beautifying yourself. So when you keep changing all these styles every day at your working place, guys, as in nobody gonna know that is you, and it will help you keep looking flawless, glamorous every day. Why? Because you've already learned how to keep styling your plaited hair and your natural hair. So let's try doing like 4 different types. Okay, we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna put this one-sided. This cannot take you like 5 minutes. You are good to go. Guys, I didn't say you should style all these once a day. So you need to be changing it every day. You style this one today, tomorrow you do another style, next tomorrow you do another style. Guys, when you keep doing, guys, you're gonna keep transforming your look and also looking nice. Guys, this will save you from not, trying to make hair every morning, because it's only when you don't know how to style it, when you keep, carrying one styles all the time, it will help you to lose it. Even the time you don't want to, you never want to lose it, you try to be losing it. Why? Because you don't know how to style it. You might feel like it's getting old. And I'm gonna also show you guys other means to go about treating your old kind of hairstyle. Maybe the hair you use huge amount to make, and you notice that within a couple of 1 month it has becoming old. Guys, I will teach you on how to do that in our next video, but I gonna briefly tell you what to do. First off, you need to use a shampoo, warm water, put warm water in a bath, use shampoo, put shampoo on it, use a neat towel, clean the down score of your hair, clean your skull, clean all your skull. So after cleaning your skull, use rubber band to tight the beginning of the hair. Take for example, so use rubber band the way you used to use attachment to hold the beginning of the hair. That's the way you're gonna use rubber band to hold the beginning of the hair. Makes it tight in all your hair. Pick it one after or the other, one after another. When you use rubber band to tight all of them, you notice that when you are using rubber band to tight all of them, your skull will start looking new, neat, as if you make a new hairstyle, but you are still carrying your old hairstyle. So when you do it in all your hair, all your plaited hair, then pack it, guys, your face will look like you make new hairstyle. So that's the secret, so that you won't keep losing your hair. And the more you use rubber band to tight it, the more e gonna, as in, the more it will help growing your hair. Because what makes the hair start looking old is that growing, another grow hair is coming out. So when you use rubber band to tight that growing hair coming out from your braided hair, guys, you will notice that not only that you gain the beauty or the neatness, or that your skull is neat again, or that it looks exactly like you make new hair, you're gonna gain that the hair will start growing, because it will look as in form of you plaited a new hair. So that's the secret. But without talking it with mouth, we're gonna still show on how to do it here, because they say seeing is believing. Guys, like this hair, 3 or 4 hairstyles I made. This simple and mature kind of hairstyle you can make to yourself, and trust me, this will keep changing your looks every day. Guys, let me know what you think. If you've never tried learning all those things, kindly do. As in, if I can do it, you can as well do it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next time. Bye.